Welcome to Bancus, your decentralized digital bank. Today you'll learn how to easily register using an invitation link. Step 1. Click on the link you received via WhatsApp, Telegram, or social media. This link will take you directly to the registration form. By clicking it, we are taken to this page. At the bottom right, we find an arrow. We're going to click on it until it takes us to the Install App button. We click on this button and it just sent us the instructions to share and add to the home screen. To pin it to your phone's home screen, go to the bottom, tap Share, and look for the option that says Add to Home Screen. Click on that and immediately leave the same name, Bancus, right at this very moment. You can see that our Bancus app is now conveniently located directly on your mobile phone's main home screen. Now, let's go ahead and click on the icon. And in this way, we will successfully complete the very first step to register and have the app permanently pinned to our phone. Welcome.